batsman to walk out on the crease early on in the innings. That's the second wicket in a row. Stumps have gone cartwheeling. I'm happy I'm not out there. Brilliant bowling effort. That's some quick wickets from them. It's all down to the tail end now, but you never know what might happen. Chance for him to make it 3 in a row, but he misses out on that one. 4 more runs to end the over. And with that, bowler passes the torch, end of the over. They have decided to call in the leg spinner to control the flow of runs. Out caught! What is he doing? Giving catching practice? It's all down to the tail end now, but you never know what might happen. Gee, that's a good throw by the fielder. Gets it right back at the stumps. Proceedings now underway with 2 runs. Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. There's no stopping that turf wrecker. 4 runs it is. The crowd is anxious. The striker is all geared up to go. Will it be a hat-trick? Up goes the finger. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. He's going to review the umpire's decision. The umpire, he's fired him out. They lose another wicket in quick succession. That's a mountain of a total. Let's hope they can scale it without... In comes a man who could carry... Fielders on full alert here. They have to restrict the batting team during the power play overs. Brilliant swing on the delivery. And he gets it to revert. Bowled! Stumps have gone everywhere. That's the first wicket down in this innings. He's gifted away his wicket. I wouldn't have forgiven myself if I'd played that. He just has to play his part in building innings here, nice and slowly. He's maximising that spot of sticky wicket to get loads of reverse swing. Takes a lot of guts to play the reverse sweep, and he's done so with ease. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. Opening the tally with a quick single. Dangerous delivery. He's generating a ton of reverse swing on this wicket. Playing on this one if he's going to be safe. Opening the tally with a quick single. Gets a good reverse swing on that one. Bowler overstepped the line now. Well, let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. He's maximising that spot of sticky wicket to get loads of reverse. Big miss. Couldn't make full use of the free hit delivery. Good ball. No runs given off that one. Brilliant swing on the delivery. He gets it to reverse with ease. He knows that every run stop counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. Gets a good reverse swing on that one. He chucks it right back into the stumps. Great aim. Batsman ends the over with a single off the last ball. A leg spinner has come into play. Very well disguised googly. Tough to pick it up. Well, he could have been on the front line there, the umpire. He's fired him out. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. A review is signalled by the batsman and they go up to the third umpire. Up goes the finger. The original umpire's decision stays in place. That was sloppy. He has gifted away. Here we have it. New batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Sneaks in the googly this time. A very good effort between the wickets. Opening the tally with a quick single. What a googly. Powerful arm from the fielder. That's a direct hit. Great twist to the offside from the leg spinner. What a googly. Direct hit, and the batsman should be in trouble here. It's a googly. Well, he could have been on the front line there, the umpire. He's fired him out. Batsman's not too sure about the umpiring decisions. Looks like he's going to miss. Yes, the batsman's going to have a look at this. He's decided to review. He's put his leg before. A great delivery that nips back in at him, and he's gone. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scalp collected. A new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. What a googly. Completely foxed the batsman. The economical over comes to an end. Medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Dangerous delivery. He's generating a ton of reverse swing on this wicket. That's a quick bit of leg work from these two. Gets a good reverse swing on that one. Out! Umpire puts his finger up and it's a huge celebration from the fielding unit. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. A review is signalled by the batsman and they go up to the third umpire. And the original umpire's decision stays in place. He's completely misread that. He's gifted away his wicket, with wickets tumbling all over the place. In this situation, and face the attack out. He's maximising that spot of sticky wicket to get loads of reverse swing. Through the effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. Batsman's off the mark with that single. Brilliant swing on the delivery. He gets it to reverse with ease. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. Dangerous delivery. He's generating a ton of reverse swing on this wicket. Out! Umpire puts his finger up and it's a huge celebration from the fielding unit. Wickets. What's required here now is a really special innings if this side's going to go over the finishing line. Brilliant swing on the delivery. He gets it to reverse with ease. An impressive sprint by both batsmen. A leg spinner has come into play. Sharp twist to the wrist. And that's a nasty googly. Striker is hesitant to make any big moves. No runs off that ball. Great twist to the offside from the leg spinner. What a googly. Gets it in his hands and chucks it right back. What a googly. Completely foxed batsman. He slings it right into the stumps. Lovely piece of fielding. What a googly. Couldn't have added more grace to it if he tried. Wonderful boundary. Sharp twist to the wrist, and that's a nasty googly. A direct hit from the fielder. Pinpoint aim and reflexes on show here. It's a googly. That's a loose delivery from the bowler. That's a clear no ball. The bowler's loss is the batsman's gain. A free hit is signalled. Very well disguised googly. Tough to pick it up. That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. That struck him firmly on the body. Very tidy ball to finish the over off. Medium pacer has been called into the attack now. It's a good reverse swing on that one. He's maximising that spot of sticky wicket to get loads of reverse swing. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw as well to the stumps. A very good effort between the wickets. It's a googly. Well, that's great accuracy. Didn't really get a good look at the stumps. Created a very awkward angle, but it was a direct hit. Batsman's off the mark with that single. Great twist to the offside from the leg spinner. What a googly. Well, he could have been on the front line there, the umpire. He's fired him out. Great stuff from the bowler. That's another wicket gone. Comfortable game for the victorious team in the end. Huge celebrations from them, and they deserve this very much. What a performance. The man of the hour also wins the man of the match.